Hello, my name is Push Lee. I'm a relatively new YouTuber. I'm just doing this as a pilot episode, but I'm just gonna do Doctor Who reviews for you. So, beg pardon. So, one of the reviews, one series of reviews which I'm going to do are going to be the Lego Daleks. This is one which I will be reviewing later, so I think it's quite nice. I want to see whether you agree with me, if it's or how accurate you think it is to the screen, or the official Lego Daleks. So that should be interesting. And then alongside that, well, before this review, I will be doing reviews of the DVDs, Doctor Who DVD series. Now, because the complete collection has come out, I thought I'd review them one by one, plus the missing episodes. So that should be interesting. Anyway, I'm going to start off with this one. This is going to be my next review, so hopefully it will be fine. Yeah. So I'm going to do the Dalek. No, I'm going to do an Unearthly Child first, and then the Dalek. I'm extremely proud of the Daleks. Anyway, I will hopefully you will subscribe. Also, I will be doing a review of An Unearthly Child straight after this. So if you want to subscribe to see my personal opinions and thoughts about the DVD series and my own Daleks, I will also post instructions on how to do these Daleks. But at the moment, it's just these two. Nice. Okay, now there are a few other things which I need to do here on this channel, rather. One of them is I want to do miscellaneous reviews, for instance, sonic screwdrivers. I love sonic screwdrivers, and so that's why I want to do them. I will also be doing reviews of forthcoming Lego Doctor Who sets, and also, if any missing episodes are found, I will also be doing reviews of their DVDs. Well, and hopefully you will enjoy. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.